Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw ang minamahal ko?
May dragon na kayang magbigay ng hiling sa'yo at merong lumilipad na kasakay sa ulan.
Walang awat ha!
At merong bilog na tinatawag na Dragon Ball, yung batang naglalakad lumilipad. At yung yellow bigla na lang nasira. May kable nakapulupot, naging kuryente, naging balat. Silang lahat malakas, may iba't ibang uri ng forma. Siya ay naging King Kong. Siya naman nasa bugan, may babae na nagmamotor. Sobrang dami nila. Siya naman may papakita, isang malaking kuryente. May bata nagpaparkour. Siya ay nahuhulog at muntik na siyang madisgrasya. Dumating tatay niya, kabush! Yeah.
Oh, Edie, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Super yucky. Super ew. Wow. Ging 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 bro. Ging 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 bro. Ging 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 bro. Ging 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 bro.
It starts with the one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. Or I know it. Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock ticks life away. It's so unreal. Then look out below. I watched the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, but I didn't even know I wasted it all just to go. I kept everything inside. Even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter, I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. The one thing that I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised. It got so far, things aren't all the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all came so far. In the end, you kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. My trust in you pushed as far as I can go. Chalo. Like this, there's only one thing I should. You should. Everybody should. No, I put my best in in my cow, which as far as my dhoti can go. For all this, there's only one payatam I should know. I tried so hard, so hard. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to follow into the door. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
This was brought to you by Dre and Tarinder.
Oh yeah. Here I go. Ahoy, ahay mga manoy, mga manay. Akong inyong lingkod, DJ Vijay. Nandito ko para maghanap buhay. At your service, DJ Bombay. Pumili na kayo, maganda na, mura pa. Ito ang aking mga paninda. Medyo may konting mga diferensya, pero lahat original, hindi pirata. Meron akong banig, kasya ang 10. Wala nang ihiga, lahat nakatayo. Gusto mo plancha? Para sa damit, pero yung handle lang umiinit. Kung naiinitan, mag-electric fan nang umiikot ay yung katawan. Porcelanang Arenola galing Pakistan. May factory defect sa loob ang hawakan. Break it down. Oh yeah. Alright. Meron akong kalan nagawa sa Japan. Lumalabas ang apoy doon sa pihitan. Kahadiyero para di manakawan, pero hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa mabuksan. Bagong cellphone, tatak Nokia. Motolite ang tatak ng baterya niya. May TV rin ako, mura lang, brand new. Kaya lang ang screen merong grado. Halika na kayo, huwag kayong mahiya. Umiikot ako buong Maynila. Minsan naglalakad, minsan nakamotor. 4 gives 5-6 libre door to door. I'm your friendly neighborhood hulugan. DJ Vijay, huwag niyong katakutan. Come on come on everyone. Sumabay sa tugtog, DJ break it down. Oh yeah. Break it down. Alright. Here I go again. Ahoy, hay mga manoy, mga manay. Muling nagbabalik, DJ Vijay. Ako ang traveling, ukay-ukay. At your service, DJ Bombay. Maraming bago, marami kong dala. Galing Amerika at buong Asia. Medyo may konting mga diferensya, pero lahat original, hindi pirata. Meron akong Rolex, uy bagay. Maraming diamond, isa lang ang kamay. Brand new flat screen color TV. Ang kulay na palabas, itim at puti. May rubber shoes ako, tatak Adidas. May factory defect sa loob ang sintas. Kailangan mo ng shoes, panterno sa barong. Meron akong boots sa harapan takong. Kung ang business mo ay construction, mura lang, kuha na, dipidal na bison. Masakit ang mata, pagod maghapon. Meron akong eye drop na roll on. Bili na ng kutsilyo made in Japan. Ay napakatalim, lalo na yung hawakan. Gintong wall clock galing Switzerland, pero baliktad sa harapang sabitan. Next time pagbalik ko, I will bring a lot more. 4 gives 5-6 libre door to door. Pwede utang, huwag nyo kalimutan. Basta't huwag nyo lang akong tatakbuhan. Kaya pag nakita nyo ako, say hi. Akong inyong lingkod, DJ Vijay. But you can call me DJ Bombay. Nagpapaalam, so long, goodbye. Bye-bye. Chori, chori. Aja, aja. Chori, chori. Aja, aja. Ay, ala, ay, ala. break it down.
May alaga, aso at pusa, hindi nangangagat, nakakatuwa. Ang aso ay si Doggy, ang pusa ay si Pussy. Hindi nag-aaway, parang Tito Vic and Joey. Kahit anong gawin, bali-balik ta rin. Hindi nangangagat, nakangiti pa rin. Silang dalawa ay solid, kahit aso at pusa. Ngunit bakit ang tao, di nila magawa? Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Ako'y bumili ng lobo at lumipad sa langit. Nasayang lang ang pera, ayoko nang maulit. Sana'y naisip ko na pagkain na lang ang aking binili nang hindi nanghihinayang. Kaya sa susunod, tatandaan ko na ang tama at mali nang hindi nadidisgrasya. Hindi tayo perpekto katulad ng iba. Tayo ay tao lang at syempre pati sila. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Dub-dub-dub-dub, 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 dub-dub-dip-dip, dub-dub-dub-dub-dub, dub-dub-dip-dip-dip-dip-dip. Sabi ng jeep, sabi ng